Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine. As last week we studied about the kinds of noun. First of all, open page number 30. Here you can see there are kinds of noun. There are some examples and definitions of kinds of noun. First, there is a noun is the name of a person, place or thing. There are 5 kinds of noun. Common noun. A common noun is the name of a common person, place or thing. Here is 2 examples are given to you: cow, water, and then the rest of the examples you have to complete by yourself. Don't copy from the book, you have to write your own examples. The next is proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Allah, Pakistan. These 2 are the examples given to you, and here you have to write down your own examples. Number 3 is collective noun. A collective noun is a name of a group or a collection of persons, animals or things that is regarded as a singular unit. Herd, army. These 2 are the examples of collective noun. And again you have to write down your own examples. Number 4, we have material noun. Material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. For example, gold or cotton. The rest of the 3 examples you have to write by yourself. Abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of an idea, a quality or a state. For example, humble and beauty. And the last 3 examples you have to write by your own self. Moving to the next slide. Here is a written task, you can see it again. Workbook page number 30 and 32. Before doing your work, first revise the definition again and then complete workbook page number 30, 31 and 32. Need help? Just one question will be solved for you. You can solve rest of the question by yourself. Okay, here I am providing you a solution of page number 31's number 1 part only, and the rest of the questions you have to solve by your own self, by your own. The question is, underline each noun and write whether it is common, proper, abstract, collective or material noun. Taj Mahal is built using marbles. Think, how many nouns are there? Yes, there are 2 nouns, Taj Mahal and marbles. Taj Mahal is a proper noun and marbles are material noun. Complete the 2 pages by yourself. 3 pages, 30, 31 and 32 by yourself. And write the answers in the way I have written here. Still, if you have any difficulty or questions, you can ask in the group.